front of me is Motorola Razr 30, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Display section right away. Following that, scroll all the way down, click on Display Refresh Rate, and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. In my case, Standard. So when I click and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!